So my wallet is already connected. I think can we start from there? Where you want to check out for is you have the hot pools and the hot tokens. So now these hot pools are the best performing pools according to market volume. You can see this one is 24-hour volume, 15 million, 130 million. But we want to focus on tokens because we want to not just capture volume but also capture fees because yeah, so we want to check out more for new tokens that are trending in the market so that we can capture good volume and good fees too. So now when you come into this interface is actually, or this feature is actually powered by Jupyter. So here you can see a lot of these are like this is in 24-hour time volume. So you see the 24-hour volume. This one is 1.5 million. So now if I want to check out for the token to LP for, one thing I do is I bring it down to 5 minutes. Why I bring it down to 5 minutes is simply because I want to look out for what is happening in the market right now. All right, so you want to see what's happening in the market. You can see Sika is at the top trending here. Sika here is trending simply because they just launched today. So Sika is trending. So now I'm looking at this is 5 minutes volume. So in the past 5 minutes, this has done 4.9K. This is 1.8K. This one is 2.9K. This one is 940. So this one is 6.8K. So Sika just launched today, so it have a lot of volatility. So now from here, you have to choose. So from this 5 minutes volume, you actually have to choose tokens that are that is having good volume in the past 5 minutes. All right. So this one down here is this Theta Gold is okay. It looks 5K volume. So you think you just have to find the best one. So let's just look at this one. Even though it's flagging us a risk. So this one was launched 23 days ago. So it has been around for a while. This is another thing you check out for. A token that has been around for a while. You don't want to jump into tokens that just launched, like, because it will have a lot of volatility around it. Let me see which one. Another thing I look for is market cap. All right, so this one is 10.87 million market cap. This one is 1.5 million market cap. So I normally recommend when you want to LP for tokens, you should LP from 1 million, 2 million, 3 million market cap and above. Sometimes I go as high as 5 million because the higher the market cap, the lesser the volatility. Even though yes, those ones are still liable to rock pool, but they are not as you have to, because in LPing, in as much as you want to make profit, you have to also look out for your capital preservation. You don't have to LP for a token that when it goes sideways or goes the other way, you lose a lot of money. So yeah, you go for tokens that have been around for like 2 to 3 days or more. Then it's from 1 million market cap and above. So these are the things I look out for when I want to. So now I have navigated this to 5 minutes. We are still here to work on our real-time update so that you have to manually refresh to just get updated. Yeah. So you see some new tokens just popped up here, like this Zeta now just popped up. This one has been here. This Theta Gold just popped up. So I think we should look at this Theta Gold. Okay, this one is 98 days. This one is 98 days. So now this is okay. It has been, this one looks very volatile. I'm not sure it's something like I want to pay attention to. So okay, yeah, gold has been pumping actually. I think this is affiliated to the actual gold in the market. So okay, I think let me just, for the video recording sake, let me just stick to one. This sold the trophy tomato. Okay, this one has been around for 23 days, and it's not, if you look at it, it has a healthy price movement, even though it dumped yesterday or so. And just to get better clarity, you can change the candlestick view from 1 day to maybe 15 minutes, because why you're doing it is to see what the market current behavior looks like. So if you look at it, it has been moving up and down, like it has a sideways movement. So charts like this are quite healthy. You can LP for them. All right, it's not very volatile. So another thing you look out for is fees. All right, fees. Okay, we'll get to that, Sha. So now, when you look at this, let's say, okay, this is the token I want to LP for. I will now come and click here. When I click here, it will give copy address, rock check, deck screener. So these are like if you want to do further analytics. All right, so then I go to check pools. So this check pools brings me to the page where I will see all the pools for this particular token. All right, so you are seeing sold. So now these are all the pools around this particular token. So this code sold gas, these are all the pools that has that sold token I selected from the token page. So now this is in 24 hours. So now I want to navigate it to 5 minutes. So I see the one that is actively having volume. This is another thing to consider, because one thing is to pick a pool. Another thing is to pick the one that actively has volume. All right. So if you look at it, the rest of them, the 5 minutes volume is 000. Just this one, that the 5 minutes volume is 1,000. So this is like the one that trade is actively going on in. So this is like the one you can LP with. So this is to show you that like it gives you, this is what Rhiva is building. It gives you like a total overview of what is happening. If you come here now, you can see it has a pool in Orca too, but the pool in Orca is not like having volume at all. So the pool where you have a volume is a pool in Meteora. So this is like what this aggregator really does. It gives you a clear overview of the market, all right, so that you can make more informed decisions. So why I've been talking this thing in 5 minutes, is simply to show us what is actively happening in the market, all right, what is actively happening in the market. So when you click on this one, then you've made your choice. So from this little analysis I did, you've been able to figure out like what works. So you can see 24-hour fee is 23,108. So yeah, so the max fee is 3%, the base fee is 2%, which is actually quite good. All right, so it's quite good. So yeah, so this is basically how I LP. So strategy I mostly use is I can do, because of because you're probably a beginner or something. I normally use single-sided, the main Solana, even though the token's name is Sol too, but the main Solana now. So now to create a position, to use only this one, you have to uncheck this. Or if you want to create a balanced position, that is 2 tokens into the pool. If you want to deposit the 2 tokens into the pool, you use this method. Or if you want to deposit this, if you want to deposit the main Sol, single-sided, so you use this. If you want to do single-sided, the quote token, like the quote token, you use it. So this is basically how it works. So normally what I do is I use the spot strategy. This is the curve strategy. This is the bid-ask strategy. So you see that the liquidity curve is responding to the different strategies. So why I use spot is so that my money will be spread evenly across the range I choose. Then in picking a range, it automatically sets your range in 71 bean step. So it's just basically putting your money in the center of putting this in the center of the price points, your money in the center of the price points. So yeah, so this is basically how I scout for tokens. So once you're able to pick a good token from the token page, changing it to 5 minutes, because when you change it to 5 minutes, you're able to see like, okay, this is where volume is actually going to at the moment. All right, the closest moment where volume is actually going in, that's where you pick. Then when you pick that, you now go to check pools, like you just saw. That check pools now is where you see where the different pools that has that token. So from there, when you change it to 5 minutes, that 5 minutes you change it to 9, you now see where the token is being actively traded on. So you don't just choose any random pool. You actually choose the one that's token where trading activities is happening the most across different dexes, not just the particular dex, across Meteora, Orca, and Raydium. Everything is laid out to you in black and white. So this is like the leverage our product gives to liquidity providers to see everything that happens in the market in one place. Yeah, so this is how I have been able to successfully make profit, all right, in the past couple of days using the Rhiva product.